Hello students, welcome to the class. So in the last class we have studied the first law of logarithm, that is, what is the first law we have learned? That is log of xy base a. It can be written as log x base a plus log y base a. Also we have seen some example problems on the first law of logarithm. So now I am going to explain the second law of logarithm. Okay students, already we know that from the definition of the first logarithms, so the exponential form and the logarithm form, that is, we know that if x is equal to a power of n, so it is the exponential form. The logarithm form will be, so log n base a, that is equal to x. It is the logarithm form of this exponential form. So consider it as first equation. So now I am going to raise the equation 1 with power m. So raising equation number 1 with power, I am going to take the power m. So it will become x power of m equal to a power of n whole power of m. So we know that from the laws of exponents, a power of n whole power of m, it can be written as a power of m into n. So it is x power of m equal to a power of m into n. So if we compare this equation with the equation number 1, in place of x we have x power of m and it is in the form of exponential form. So now we can write the logarithm form for this exponential form. So what will be the logarithm form? So log x power of m base a equal to m into n. Log x power of m base a is equal to m into n. So log x power of m base a equal to, here clearly we know that from this we got n is equal to log x base a. So in place of n I am going to substitute the value of, that is, log x base a. So it will be log x power of m base a is equal to m into log x base a. It is the second law of logarithm. It is the second law of logarithm. So what is the second law? The second law states that the logarithm value of any exponential, the logarithm of any exponential can be found out by using, how can we find the exponential of any number for a logarithm? So it can be found by multiplying that logarithm of number with that exponential. Multiplying the logarithm value of that number with that exponential, we will get the logarithm of exponential of any number. So let us see some example based on the second law of logarithm. So the second law is, what is the second law? Log x power of m base a can be written as m into log x base a. It is the second law of logarithm. Means the exponential of any number logarithm can be found by multiplying the logarithm value of that number with the exponential. So example, so log 5 cube. Here for this I have written the base is a. So if there is no base, is nothing but it may be a 10 or it may be e. So we can log 5 cube, log 5 cube. So how can we write log 5 cube from second law? What is the second law? Log x power of m can be written as, how can we write? M into log x, m into log x. So clearly compare this LHS with the given problem. Here log x power of m, here we have log 5 power of 3. So log 5 power of 3. So how can we write log 5 power of 3? So in place of m we have 3. So it will become coefficient. So 3 into log 5. 3 into log 5. So let us solve some more examples. So log 289. Log 289. So we know that 289 is the square of 17. Square of 17. So log 289 is equal to, it can be written as 17 power 2. 17 power 2. So 17 power 2. So it is in the form of log x power of m. Log x power of m. So we know that log x power of m can be written as m into log x. M into log x. So see, clearly we can write log 17 power of 2 can be written as 2 into log 17. 2 into log 17. Okay students. So it is the second law of logarithm. So these are the two examples I have told. So please solve given problems based on the second law. Try to solve the problems on the second law of logarithms. Now the first one is log 256 and the second one is $625 and third one is $169. Fourth one is $196 and the last fifth one is log 1000 base 10. So students, solve these 5 solutions which are based on the second law of logarithms. Okay, thank you.